too hard on this road. It's just going to be the weekend ride. Instead of a Sunday, I'm just going on a Saturday ride. Pointing that out to the guy behind me. Yeah, we're just gonna go up to the place where I went with my parents last week, called Fredericksburg. It's like a little German town. Gonna get some food and then head back. Should be a little over 100 miles. And what's nice is this time the meetup group met right down the road from my house. So I definitely wanted to come, because normally this group of riders, they want to meet up almost an hour away from my house, and that really kills it for me, especially in early morning rides. I gotta leave my house at like at 5:30 on a Saturday. No, thank you. So the guy that's leading the group was telling me that these roads up ahead are really, really steep. I'm more than likely going to have to go all the way into first gear, so we'll see. When we come to that point, I'm going to keep my distance from the guy in front of me, because I don't want no problem with him stalling out on the middle of a hill. Yeah, I think this is coming up on the hill that he was talking about, because everyone seems to be going slow. Creek. Yeah, that's a sad creek. There's no water. So yeah, for 4th of July, I do plan on riding my bike all the way out to California. That's going to be interesting. In front of me, I'm not sure what type of bike that is. It might be a Suzuki Boulevard, I don't know, but he's got some crazy sound system. When we stopped at a gas station right now, he was playing I don't even know the name of the song, or whatever he was playing. It was really loud, and I think the other people in the group were like, what the hell is wrong with this guy? He was talking about. If so, this is not that bad. When I went to Laughlin, we went to some old town. I'll put the name of it up in the video, but the hills out that way, oh man, that was really bad. now that I got bags, I'm pretty confident I could do the trip to California. Obviously, I'm not gonna go iron butt and just try to do it in one day. I'm just gonna stop probably 2 times. So ride for like a good 7 to 9 hours from my house the initial day, and then stay the night in a hotel, ride again 7 to 9 hours, and then the last day I'll only have to ride maybe 5 hours, if that.